Hello and welcome to Cryptoweeklies. My name is Josh, and today we'll be talking about Litecoin on our channel. This is the website that you're seeing is the cryptoweeklies.com website that we have developed, which focuses on AI-based forecasts for major cryptos. We have broken down this site into several sections. One is top 20 cryptos by market cap, and then the top 100 cryptos, that is from 21 to 100, and then uh, along with that crypto pair, that is ETH in terms of near or ETH in terms of Litecoin. So this is the structure, and with all of this we have also recently developed a machine learning algorithm to analyze the sentiment of the crypto market um, by using news titles and scraping them from various sources over the internet and checking what's the sentiment in of those news titles over the last 24 hours. We update this every once in a day to see what's the latest and the greatest happening in the crypto market. And it to make it easily understandable for the community, the color codes, usually the green is bullish and yellow is neutral, and if there are any bearish news, then those are color coded in red. So as you can see, almost half of the activity over the news cycle over the last 24 hour has been bullish for crypto. You can use the link in the description to check out the chart for yourself. This would provide you an overview of what is happening. So for example, uh, the next Solana meme coin is being talked in this article, whereas over here it says that uh, about Shiba Inu, there are about 380 billion SHIB token are relocated. And then again over here, Bitcoin is top 10 financial asset by market cap. What about Ethereum? So you can peruse through these articles and on this chart and make your own judgment. If you find that some of the articles are bullish but they're flagged as neutral or vice versa, please let me know. And this is something that we are not doing manually. We are using our AI machine learning model to do natural language processing and come up with a sentiment score. So let's move past this sentiment analysis and let's go to our Litecoin forecast for today. That's the focus of this video. We have this USD based forecast, and then we'll be covering ETH based pair for Litecoin, that is till the end of year 2024. Before we do that, we'll just look at its position in terms of, and this is via coin market cap, the table that you're seeing on the screen. Litecoin is at number 20 per market cap. The market cap is around 6.3 billion, volume slightly more than 10% of the market cap at around 650 million. Over the past 7 days, the activity is slightly down by about 2%. And in terms of its overall crypto market health, fear and greed is at 82. We have about 33 days left for BTC halving. The overall crypto market cap is at 2.454 trillion, slightly above 2.5 trillion mark. And now let's focus our attention to Litecoin, and let's look at its own stats, and then we'll do a price versus market cap analysis. Right now the price is at around $85. Almost 88% of the max supply for Litecoin is in circulation. And it's one of the older cryptocurrency. You can see that the price analysis goes back all the way to about 2013. So that's a little bit about stats for Litecoin. It has been, I think, throughout its life in the crypto market, it has been in top 20 cryptos by market cap. Um, Although let's now look at it from a price versus market cap analysis. Right now the price is at around $85. At its all-time high, the price was at around $350. So you can say that is we are 4x away from the peak. And in terms of market cap, you can see right now the market cap peaked in the rally at around 7.5 billion, whereas the market cap was at its previous peak was at around 23 billion. So also a similar 3 to 4x away in terms of its market cap as well. This means that the price and market cap are moving in sync, and growth in market cap is reflected in price. So essentially they are the same chart if you toggle between them. So that's always a good sign that at least the returns are not being inflated away from people who are not staking this crypto, or the staking rewards, if there are, they are not more than the token inflation. So I wanted to bring that to your attention. Now let's do a brief TA based analysis. This is the Fibonacci retracement for Litecoin from its previous all-time high at around week to week at around 380 USD. That was in 2017 market cycle. In the last bull run, we made another all-time high at slightly higher than 400 USD. That means, and we are using this framework to understand what could potentially happen in the next bull run. So slightly higher highs than the prior bull run was the price action in 2021. If we extrapolate that to let's say in 2025, the corresponding Fibonacci levels are between $380 and $600. So that's the key level to watch in terms of its Fibonacci retracement, historically speaking. Now let's go to our AI-based forecast. This is something that we have developed in-house, the machine learning model. It takes into the consideration price action all the way back to from 2014, and this is the weekly average price color coded. The actuals are in white, and you can see that the corresponding color code for bull zone, the bear zone, and the base case scenario over here. And let's now talk about the forecast. Before we do that, just wanted to provide the disclaimer that these forecasts are not financial advice. We use machine learning and AI based techniques, and we have kept our confidence level at around 70%. That is one standard deviation moves. We are considering those moves in with a goal that it's to make these forecasts more impactful and usable than more, let's say, considering all the 2 or 3 standard deviation cases which might cover the confidence level to 95% or 99%, but might also be not that usable because the ranges might go from, let's say, instead of between $90 and $180, they might be between $90 and all the way to, if we are considering 3 standard deviation move, all the way to $5,000. And similarly, instead of over here at $50 in bear case, a 3 standard deviation could be somewhere at around $5. But you get the point that if we broaden the scope of these forecasts, they tend to be more accurate. That is, all of the price action might be under that bucket, the widened bucket, but they might not be as useful. So we are still working out, figuring out the trade-off between accuracy and usability. So till we figure it out, let's look at what's the base case for Litecoin is for per our AI model. This is from late March 2024. Price action forecasted by our model between $93 and $102 till August. This is the base case, devoid of any bullish or bearish side. Bull case, as we just briefly mentioned, is between all of the price action between $100 and $182 is a theoretical possibility within one standard deviation moves for Litecoin, and the bear case between $50 and $84. That's the USD story for Litecoin. Let's go to its ETH pair over here. And if at any point you are having trouble finding content on the chart on the website, you can just do a Control or Command F and search for assets which have the ticker symbol. So for example, LTC over here will provide all the assets related to Litecoin. So in terms of its ETH pair, you can see the trend is clear, and this is number of Litecoin token Litecoins available for selling in one ETH, and this trend has been clear since 2019, that the number of LTC token available are ever increasing. This means Ether has been gaining ground consistently over Litecoin, although there are certain phases like towards the end of the bear market where Litecoin performed better than ETH, and also over here during the end of bear market. That seems to be the way so far for Litecoin and Ether pair. You can see that even in the bull run that began in late 2020, lasted to about late 2021. The valuation of Litecoin in terms of ether from 5 litecoin per eth all the way to about 22 litecoins per eth. uh, did almost a 4x in bull market. So if you are a eth bull, you're looking at this green zone, but if you're a litecoin bull, you're looking at this red zone. And we'll just focus on the um, red zone right now, so that we can make an estimate of what Litecoin could do in case it succeeds to gain some market momentum against ETH. That would be between price action between 27 Litecoins per ETH to about 37 Litecoins per ETH. Let's take a median value of around 30 Litecoins per ETH, and let's divide 7,000. Let's go to our ETH price for forecast first. Our AI model in its for its ETH USD pair has forecasted a price action between 7,000 and 7,500 towards the end of year 2024. And if we divide 7,500 with 30, we'll get the Litecoin's USD forecast at around 250. Again, for these things to materialize, ETH needs to first go to about 200, 700 and $500 on its USD pair, and Litecoin and ETH pair needs to break down at around 30 Litecoins per ETH. So hope you like this content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.